Making money isn't just about luck, it's about persistence, hard work, and a relentless drive to succeed. For young folks, the journey to financial success is paved with opportunities and challenges. Embrace every challenge as a learning experience. The key to success is staying motivated and never giving up on your dreams. Legitimate hustle builds character and resilience, qualities that will serve you throughout your life. Every successful individual has a story of perseverance. Write your own story of triumph by staying focused, working smart, and never losing sight of your goals. For young folks, the desire to make money is more than just a dream, it's a mission. Building your empire from scratch requires grit, determination, and a relentless work ethic. Embrace the grind, stay focused on your goals, and understand that every small step counts. The road to success is paved with challenges, but your unwavering commitment will lead you to triumph. Legitimate hustle is not just about making money, it's about building a legacy. Stay motivated, keep learning, and never underestimate the power of your hustle. Your journey might be tough, but the destination is worth it.